How's it going, everybody? Sean Deckmeyer here from tradecaster.com, and today we want to talk about the famous statistic, why does 80% of new stock traders fail? So we've all heard that famous statistic before, 80% of new stock traders fail. So what is going to separate you from a winning trader to a losing trader? What puts you in the 20% from the 80%? And how are you going to progress out of that 80% into the 20%? Speaking of statistics, let me ask you this. Have you ever wanted to go to Harvard? You have a 4.5% chance of being accepted. Do you play basketball and want to be drafted to your favorite NBA team? You have a 1.3% chance of being drafted. And out of all last year, if you ever wanted to be an actor, you have a 0.04% chance of being casted on the big screen. That is less than 1%. But does that number really stop you from chasing your goal? Not at all. And when you actually think about 80% of stock traders losing and 20% are successful, well, now that's actually a huge number. So why are 20% successful, and how do I get into that 20%? So how do we get into that top 20%? Well, we need to understand why the 80% is not successful. And when you actually think about that 80% of traders who are not successful, think about all the people you know that maybe started stock trading for one day. Someone who saw stock trading, invested maybe into one trade, lost, and said it wasn't for them. Someone who deposits $100 in a Robinhood thinking they're gonna turn it into $1 million. To actually be in that top 20%, it's not as difficult as you think. You just need to be willing to actually put in the work. So what does hard work entail in the stock market? Because when I say go ahead and work hard, you could be thinking about a million different ways, but without direction, it's very hard to be a successful stock trader. What I would want every single new trader doing is taking the time to paper trade. Learn the way the stock market works with risk-free trading. And that's why paper trading is so important and so crucial. Now, I will be the first one to say, when I first started my stock trading career, I was awful. And I don't want anyone to ever think that you are going to be successful right when you begin. When you start stock trading, you need to think you have zero knowledge, zero experience, and you are basically learning a brand new language. The stock market, you are going to look at graphs, look at different indicators, see different alerts from other people, and really feel overwhelmed. But when you're overwhelmed, that's a good thing because it means you're pushing yourself outside your boundaries. So how long did I paper trade for? I paper traded for, get ready, 11 months. Now you might say, whoa, I do not want to be paper trading 11 months. Well, hear me out on the strategy that I think every trader should use. What I think every trader should do before going to their real account is paper trade for at least 3 months of consistent, successful profits. If you cannot have 3 months of green, you are not ready to go to your real account. And there are so many traders who trade for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and they say to themselves, hey Deck, I traded for 3 months, let me go to my real account. But all 3 months were a loss. So does that make sense? If you're losing every single month and then you go to a real account, what do you expect you to do on that real money account? Lose. So not only do I want to see every single trader trading for at least 3 months of success before going to real money, I want you trading 3 months of success with the amount of money you have in real life. If you follow these steps, you have a great chance of being in that 20% over that 80%. Already watching this video and taking the steps of becoming a better trader, you are doing much more than that 80% ever will. And that's the difference between you and them. Thank you everybody who has watched this video. If you want to take your trading to the next level, click the link in the description below and let's trade together. I live stream my trading every single day on tradecaster.com. We offer a free, absolutely free 7-day pass for all new traders, and I cannot wait to work with you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys out there.